Hello everyone. Um, my name is Prasansaaaaaa, and today we are going to talk about the topic called energy, biomolecules, and cells. So let's start. So today I have a biomolecules on the left side and mitochondria on the right side, those two pictures, and today I'll be explaining how cells get and use energy, how that energy works with the cell components, and why it matters in our real life. So let's dive into it. The first one is going to be energy in the cell. So how cells get and use energy. Cells uses a molecule called ATP for energy. Cells need energy for everything, growing, moving, even staying alive. They uses ATP, which works like a tiny battery, which is a rechargeable battery. Cells make ATP during a process called cellular respiration. It is written over there as well. ATP is made during cellular respiration, which happens in the cytoplasm at first, and um and it starts and with cytoplasm and continues in the mitochondria. And there are like two types of one is aerobic and one is anaerobic. So aerobic is like with oxygen, which is if there is oxygen, we get a lot of ATP, which is about 30 per glucose. And if there is no oxygen, which is called an aerobic situation, they can still make ATP through anaerobic respiration. The fourth slide is going to be ATP diagram. You can see that. And the fifth one is going to be biomolecules. It is also called cells building blocks. So biomolecules and their jobs. They have a four types. First one is carbohydrate, which is rice. Whenever you eat rice or something like that, you get very energetic, where you get very quick energy support. And whenever you eat like a chicken or something like that, which is called proteins, it is like super important for like human form, because they form structures and help reaction happen faster as enzymes. The third one is going to be lipids. Lipids do store the energy and make up membranes. The fourth one is going to be nucleic acid, which is DNA and RNA, which carry genetic instruction. Let's move on to the sixth slide, and it's going to be integration in the cell. So how energy and biomolecules work together, so that all these molecules work together with energy to keep the cell running. Membrane pumps like sodium and potassium need ATP to move particles in and out of the cell. Enzyme uses ATP to build and change other molecules. Membrane pumps like sodium, potassium pump uses ATP as well. Enzymes break or build the molecules, making DNA, RNA, and proteins. They also take energy. None of these would have been possible if there was no ATP. So ATP is very important. The seventh slide is about the real world examples. Why this matters, why mitochondrial matters. Because if mitochondrial is affected, then how cells gonna make ATP? It can cause weakness, tiredness, or organ problems. It shows how important ATP and mitochondria are. This could also create muscle and vein problems. It also says why it matters. It says scientists also use this knowledge to study cancer and develop new biotic. If we study about mitochondria, ATP, about all these topics, we're gonna know about how our health system runs, and we can make many treatment to cure the disease as well. So last one, we had a conclusion. Let's wrap it up. We have a conclusion. ATP is the main source of energy, main energy for cells. Cells make ATP in mitochondria. Energy powers everything. It pumps enzymes, genetic work, biomolecules help the cell function. Problems with energy production causes disease, and research help find treatments. And if any part of this system fails, it can lead to serious disease. So understanding these basic things help us understand about our life and health. Thank you for watching. I'd love to answer your question if you have any. Thank you so much.